Hello guys, welcome to my channel SwathiPharmaJnan. Today's topic is penicillins. We'll see the introduction of penicillins, nomenclature of penicillins and stereochemistry of penicillins. Penicillin is a secondary metabolite. It is producing by various bacteria. Penicillins are considered as beta-lactam antibiotics. Why they are considered as beta-lactam antibiotics? In the structure of penicillins, beta-lactam ring is present. A bacterial infection is caused by millions of tiny bacteria and they are trying to survive by multiplying in the host. When antibiotic attacks that bacteria and it may kill the bacteria. Penicillin is used as an antibiotic and it is obtained from Penicillium notatum. You can see here the structure of Penicillium notatum fungi or mold. Nowadays it is extracted from Penicillium chrysogenum. Initially it was extracting from the first penicillin has been extracted from Penicillium notatum. Later they have started extracting the penicillin from Penicillium chrysogenum. This below structure is Penicillium chrysogenum. Before the development of penicillin, many people have suffered from bacterial infections and they also died from bacterial infections. The scientist Alexander Fleming has first discovered penicillin in 1928. He also got the Nobel Prize for his discovery. Penicillin G is the first antibiotic or first penicillin which is introduced into the chemotherapy. We'll see the nomenclature of penicillins, how the structure of penicillin has been designed. Penicillins are called as beta-lactam antibiotics. They contain the beta-lactam ring. You can see here the beta-lactam ring is present. We can also call it as the beta-lactam ring is also called as azitidinone. Az indicates nitrogen. Etidine indicates four-membered ring which is saturated. One indicates a ketone group is present at this position. So this is called as beta-lactam ring. Four-membered ring with one nitrogen and ketone group at fourth position. So consider this one as the first position, second, third and fourth position. So now we'll see what are the other rings attached to the beta lactam ring. This is the general structure of penicillins. Beta lactam ring is present here. The beta lactam ring is fused to thiazolidine ring. What is thiazolidine? Thia indicates a sulfur, Az indicates nitrogen, olidine indicates completely saturated 5-membered ring. Beta lactam ring and 5-membered ring which is thiazolidine ring are fused together. So this structure we'll call it as PENCILLIN. Now always according to IUPAC system of nomenclature, the sulfur will get the first numbering. So at first position sulfur atom is present. At second position two methyl groups are attached. At third position carboxylic acid group is present. At fourth position nitrogen atom is there. And at seventh position ketone group is present. At sixth position acyl amino side chain is present in the general structure. The R group will vary based on the different types of the penicillins. This is amide group and this one is alkyl group. Together we can also call it as acyl amino side chain. Alkyl CO group is considered as acyl group. Next, according to chemical abstract system, numbering starts from sulfur atom and assigned as 1. Nitrogen is assigned as number 4. Name of penicillin is, the name of penicillin according to IUPAC system of nomenclature is 6-acyl amino, 2,2-dimethyl, 3-carboxylic acid, PENCILLIN, thiazolidine ring and beta-lactam ring together fused. So that structure is considered as PENCILLIN. So this is PENCILLIN. We'll see the stereochemistry of penicillins. Penicillin structure contains 3 chiral carbons. What is chiral carbon? If a carbon atom contains 4 different groups attached to it, as the valency of the carbon is 4, it attached to 4 different atoms, then that carbon is considered as chiral carbon. So there are 3 chiral carbons present in the general structure of penicillin, that are third carbon, fifth carbon and sixth carbon. This is third carbon, fifth carbon and sixth carbon. The chiral carbons are designated with star mark. C6 is showing L configuration, C3 and C6 chiral centers are trans to each other. What is trans? Trans to each other means facing opposite to each other. All synthetic and semi-synthetic penicillins have same absolute configuration that of the general structure of penicillin or natural structure of penicillin, that is 3s, 5s, 6r. We have studied about R and S configuration or absolute configuration in organic chemistry. So based on that, we are giving the absolute configuration as 3s, 5s and 6r. We'll see the SAR of penicillins in my next video. Thank you.